Hello class, in this tutorial I am going to show you what you need to do for problem 11.38. Essentially there's going to be two tests we need to do. For A, we need to run the Levene test, and for B it's going to be a multi-sample ANOVA or analysis of variance. You're going to need to open up the yarn data file, which will look like this, these four columns. Basically, we're going to ignore this column about aspect, and we're going to just focus in on these three columns here for the different PSI measures. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is, the question is asking if the variances are the same or different. And the Levene test is going to be able to do that. So we will do this in PHStat because it's got the Levene test ready to go. So this is going to be a multi-sample test because there's more than two. And we're just going to go to multi-sample test, to click on Levene test, keep our 0.05 significance level. We will highlight our three columns of data, check the box if first cells contain labels, and you can just call this A and click OK and wait for it to run, and basically you'll get an output that looks just like this. What you need to focus in on here is this p-value here. It is not significant. It is 0.9722. That's bad. Our level of significance was 0.05. Okay, so there's not enough there to conclude that there is homogeneous of variance. Oh, right. For part 2, part B of the question, we need to go back to our data. And basically, it's asking if there's evidence of significant differences between the three PSI strengths. And that's going to be a multi-sample ANOVA. And it's going to look like this. Now you can do this in PHStat 2, or you can use the data analysis tool pack. We'll stick with PHStat 2. We'll go to multi-sample, and this is going to be a one-way ANOVA. And we will select our data. We can uncheck the box for Tukey-Kramer. We're not concerned with that. Click B, and click OK, and we will get an output that looks like this. And we have an F of 4.08, and we got a p-value which is less than 0.05. So basically, that's saying that there is a difference among the three, and that's it.